Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify payments in unsupported countries using the fallback gateway options. This is a great way to open up your digital checkout lanes so you can accept credit cards and handle global store sales smoothly, even if the primary built-in system is not natively open in your home territory. Step 1. Check your local gateway availability sheets and country lists. The first step is to open your regular internet browser window, log into your central manager dashboard, and find out exactly which transaction companies are legally open to handle sales inside your home borderlines. Move your mouse cursor over to the left-hand sidebar layout on your monitor screen. Click on the Settings button at the absolute bottom corner, select the option labeled Payments, and click the link rows that say Supported Gateways. Look closely down the printed country rows on your screen canvas layout to see the full list of external payment companies that have active links to your region, because trying to activate the default system inside a locked zone will cause your account to get flagged or frozen instantly. Before you can collect money from shoppers, you must review the official master directory sheets to choose an approved third-party helper that has an open pathway to your local bank book rows. Step 2. Visit the independent website of your chosen backup company, like Stripe or 2Checkout, and build a brand new merchant worker profile to hold your cash returns. Open a separate browser window tab, type the address of your chosen processing partner, click the Sign Up button flat against your background view, and fill out your business name, personal address rows, and banking routing details. Complete the identity verification steps by uploading your basic registration papers or business tax row IDs into the company's secure storage field. Because since the built-in tool cannot process your money directly, you are building an outside pipeline bridge. This independent company will act as your external collector, gathering the funds from your buyer's credit cards on the web and transferring the cash safely over to your local city bank branch. Step 3. Paste your private account security keys into your store settings panel inside your view window. Go to your new payment provider account panel rows, copy the long text strings labeled Secret Key or Merchant ID, navigate back to your Shop Payment menu screen, click Choose a Provider, and paste the text lines right into the empty input fields. Turn on the check marks for all major credit card types like Visa and MasterCard inside your settings canvas box, and click the blue Activate button. Because your storefront needs these exact passcodes to establish a secure handshake lane with your outside processor. If you leave these input fields empty or misspell a single letter row, your checkout page will freeze up when a buyer tries to pay, blocking your sales from completing successfully. And that's it. To set up Shopify payments in unsupported countries, you first open your payment settings and check your local gateway availability sheets on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to a new tab to register a merchant business identity profile with an approved third-party company on your screen canvas rows. Then you copy your private account security keys and paste them into your store settings panel inside your view window. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.